This is exactly how to connect Google Search Console to Google Analytics in GA4. After logging in, select the correct property, go to Admin, and go to Product Links, and then go down to Search Console Links. And here you will hit Link. Right here, click Choose Accounts. If you don't see the property listed here, hit Add a Property and hit OK. And this will redirect you to Google Search Console, and this is where you can add your account. Once your site has been verified, go back to Google Analytics and refresh the page, and your newly added domain should be showing up here. So check the box and hit Confirm and hit Next. Choose Web Streams, hit Next, and hit Submit. Now when you go back to your dashboard, go to Reports, you should see Google Search Console right here. Now you have access to Google Search Console directly inside the Google Analytics for you to see organic traffic performance. And this is exactly how easy it is to connect Google Search Console inside Google Analytics. And if you have questions regarding how to verify a Google Search Console property, I have linked a video right here.